Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I am going to teach you how you can edit videos in Inshot app. Before proceeding, subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So let's start. Open App Store or Play Store. Search Inshot app here. Click download button. Now open Inshot app after download. Select video option. Here select video you want to edit. Click canvas button to change frame ratio of video. You can select any platform like Instagram story, YouTube video, TikTok or Apple video. It will automatically resize according to selected platform. In zoom option, you can zoom video through this slider option. You can increase or decrease zoom. Here in background option, you can change background of video. If you want to add music, then click on music button to add music in background. Click on video to mute original audio of video. There are three options. Here you can extract audio from video. Just click on the button and select video. It will automatically extract audio from video. In iTunes tab, you can add stored music from your library. In effects option, you can add default Inshot voices. I am going to select my music from phone library. Here, I can increase or decrease volume of music. In stickers tab, you can add stickers in video. Select any sticker that you want to add into your video. Click on text button to add text into your video. Here you can change font style too. Hold text box to move or resize text. You can add multiple text too. If you want to remove app watermark, then click on cross button and then click on remove this once. It will remove Inshot watermark from your video. Click on filters to add some effects. You can select any effect that you want to apply. Click PIP button to add picture or video inside video. You can see clip has been added into your video. Click pre-cut option to trim, cut or split the video. Now, if you want to make slow motion video, click on speed and decrease the speed of video. You can see video is now in slow motion. Click replace button to replace clip with other video. Through crop button, you can crop your video. Click on rotate button to rotate video. Through flip button, you can flip your video. The freeze button is to freeze clip for some seconds. The settings button is to set resolution and format of video. Click export button to save your video. You can change video settings here too. Now let's see the final result. You can see all the changes that we made into video are showing here. I hope this tutorial will help you to edit videos. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button to get more videos like this.